Well then, let's get you welding.
No. Dad, what happened? I can't see anything. My eyes got blocked, didn't they?
Stop playing with it.
And it won't block my eyes? Higher.
Okay, leave it like that. You want to look that way?
Like that?
Can you see out through the viewport?
Yes.
Okay, this is where you're going to be welding. Okay?
I got it.
This is your stinger.
That's a stinger?
This is your stinger.
That's what the stinger looks like?
Mm-hmm. Do not squeeze on this. You hold it with this, okay?
So, what does the letter do?
Okay, put your no, okay. Down on both knees. Hold your stinger.
What's that noise?
This is the welder buzzing. Ready? I thought you won't. No, the sparks aren't going to touch your car, Haley. No, you got to get up close. You got to get up close, honey. Almost. You gotta get closer, honey, okay?
Okay.
Closer. Closer.
This one?
Okay, here we go.
I can't stop. I can't stop. This is too much fun. Is this a wheel? Is it?
Mm-hmm. You're fine. You gotta leave the mask on, okay? Now let's see. Yeah, well, look, you're fine. Nothing happened.
I don't want the welding.
Okay. Go get your brother.
I'm Haley.
Okay. Get your gloves on.
I do one at a time.
Get your gloves on.
Just like you. You do one at a time too, right? Then I'm close.
Okay, hang on one second. Lift your stinger up for a second.
Okay. So I don't get sparks on myself, right? Oh, it's just a loop.
No, it's still there. Don't squeeze on this though, okay?
Oh, why?
Okay, put your viewport down. Ready?
Yep.
not done yet.
Why are we now? Why are we heating
Grab
up
your
the
stinger.
rim?
Put your hood on.
Not the rim.
Put your hood on.
Two.
Put your hood on.
Okay.
Never take your helmet off. Okay? Can you see out the viewport? Carter?
No.
Can you see out the viewport?
Yeah.
Okay.
Roger that.
Grab your stinger.
Yep.
You got it?
Yep.
Don't lift your hood, Carter.
Oh, there's fire.
Don't worry about
There's
it.
fire on it.
Keep your hood down and hang on to your stinger. Hood down. Yeah, you want to see how good a bead you did?
What?
Do you want to see how good a bead you did?
How good?
Well, I need the air,
Okay.
and you want to clean up your weld. So you
Okay.
go